In this episode we head to Manning Gorge, and after a few uncharacteristic slips and a lot of getting lost, we make it to the beautiful waterfall at the end. Next we tri-fit in Barnett Gorge before beating the peak hour traffic to Mount Elizabeth Station and treating ourselves to our failed attempt at banana bread in the Weber.
But it couldn't be any darker underneath, so yeah.
You just have to do a tiny bit of swimming and then it'll be
Let's go, baby. Got the goods. Chilly?
No, it's not too bad.
It's actually quite nice.
Yeah, it's really good. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's day 6
Yes.
and we are on the way out to Manning Gorge. We got up nice and early and have still been mixed in with a few crowds, but trying to break free from those.
I reckon there's about 5 groups before us and we left at 6:30. So.
Yeah. So a little early morning swim, which was really nice actually. It wasn't too
Warmer
fresh
than
at
I
all.
thought, yeah.
And you put your stuff in a barrel and push it across. But yeah, yesterday was Galvin's, which was again just amazing.
Probably our favourite so far. Like we said, I think it was really easy to get to. It was only about a K in, and the waterfall was just like amazing. It's like this little circular oasis. We just loved it.
Yeah. A little rope swing.
Yeah.
Did see a little snake there.
We did, but it didn't decide to swim in the water with us, so that was good.
Yeah, but it was right near where we were taking some photos and stuff at the start. But anyway, yeah, we did that. Then went and just got some firewood. But other than that, we are now, just heading out to Manning Gorge. So
Let's do it.
whee.
Yeah, there's a little white speck of paint there. It's tiny though.
I may have got that on GoPro.
Really?
Oh. Wow. We're now charging through to,
Ginger and Barnett Gorge.
and we've got to race because we don't know when Mount Elizabeth closes, and that's our stopover for tonight, so jog on. Alright, so we are at the second lookout of Barnett Gorge. Not clearly marked at all.
Like, not in the slightest.
No.
Matt usually hates like little rock towers, but it's literally the only thing that
to navigate
has helped us.
Yeah.
I think we tried like 3 or 4 different paths at the start with no luck, and the track is also dead average.
It is still nice up here. This is beautiful. You can keep going further that way, over there, I think, to get down to swim, but I think we're gonna call it here and head back to the car. And then there's a few sort of pull-up spots closer to the water down there, way down the river, that we might jump in for a swim. But yeah, wrapped up Manning Gorge this morning. That was like really good.
That was
think
awesome.
We still rate Galvin's possibly highly.
Yeah,
more
for
highly.
me definitely.
Yeah.
I think it's really beautiful. It doesn't seem to be flowing as much as it was obviously naturally earlier in the season, but yeah, it was still amazing. Lots of rocks to jump off, and really nice temp for swimming and stuff. We spent like 4.5 hours between the swim with your stuff over, getting there, chatting to people, swimming, and then walking back and swimming back. So we left at like just after 6:30. It took us about half an hour to actually get across the river. Yeah. We got back just after 11.
Yeah, the walk each way was about 45 minutes, but we pushed through quickly to try and beat some crowds. There was a lot of people there. But anyway, we still might try and get to Mount Elizabeth tonight. It's 50-50. We're going to push back. Yeah.
I don't even know if they shut certain times. So yeah. We did really want to I really wanted to try the dinner there. We hear lots of good things, and apparently they've got really good amenities and stuff. But even if we don't stay there, I think we'll still try to do Wanamara Gorge tomorrow morning. Yeah. Which you have to pass the station for anyway, so yeah. We'll see, but we're sweaty and the sun's nearly coming down, so we better go.
Yeah, we'll speak to you later.
Bye. Oh, little angel on the side, hi! Yeah, mind. So huge. Hey.
It was...
We made it.
Yeah, a rush, but we've made it to Mount Elizabeth. And we're stoked that we did, because apparently the drive into the gorge tomorrow morning is possibly 2 hours of low range first gear. Yeah. Which I'm excited about.
Yeah. We've had a little bit of four-wheel driving so far,
like some good technical stuff I'm keen on. But yeah. it was a good thing we didn't stay at Barnett Gorge.
Yes.
Yeah,
It
because
would have been really nice to stay at though. But
we're unfortunately running a little bit of a tight schedule, just because we're trying to be in Cairns by the 3rd of August to meet Will for Cape York.
Yeah.
Which means we only have about a month for the Northern Territory, possibly less at this stage. So every day that we save now, we
More
make
time
for
in
the Northern Territory. But we're also conscious of finding the balance and not ruining our time now. But anyway,
on
long
that note,
story
just
short.
quickly, I feel like it's today we try to do Manning Gorge and Barnett Gorge, and we just didn't have enough time to do Barnett Gorge. Like, we really chilled out at Manning, not really intending on doing Barnett. But taking it like a gorge a day has actually been really nice.
It's a good pace.
Yeah, I'd probably recommend it if you want to really try and soak it all in.
Yeah.
If we left like an hour earlier, maybe from Manning Gorge, we would have been fine. But Barnett Gorge was a bloody mission to try and navigate.
Yeah, getting back to Mount Elizabeth, it's stunning.
It's lovely.
We're so disappointed that we can't have 2 nights here.
Yeah.
The showers are really good.
Oh man.
The campground is beautiful.
Yeah. The showers are
free washing, you say?
Apparently,
Supposedly free washing.
No paid sort of needs for the laundry, but the showers are like a room. Like they are literally so big. Pressure's great. It's hot. You got a mirror, which like probably haven't looked at myself in like a month.
Yeah.
Not a bad thing. But it's really nice here, and just the scenery is beautiful. I think it's Craig and I want to say her name's Leanne that run it, and they're so lovely, and they have
it's great.
Yeah, they have dinners on, which are $40 each a night. Prior to coming tonight, it sounds like they've been really good, like roasts, and there's dessert, so it's always a 2-course meal.
And I'm sure the dinner tonight would be good.
It would be lovely, but they were doing steak and salad, and
which
if anyone knows us, that's our staple. So we were like, we don't need to spend. Never. We don't need to spend $80 to have what we probably would have had anyway.
And there was a pastry included.
Pastry would have been nice, but we also made a very burnt banana bread.
Oh
yesterday, it's our first time trying to do it in the weather, and the part that's not bad, it's delicious. But after maybe 5-10 minutes of having it on, we were like, oh gosh, that smells very burnt. So we'll give you a little.
And I've made a lot of banana bread over the last couple of years, so we're very capable. It's just
we're just learning. Go.
So doesn't look too bad from the top. I don't know if you can see that.
Nice.
But it couldn't be any darker underneath. So we really excelled with that one. But you live in your own. Yeah.
So anyway, we're
got 3 like very, very, very
ripe bananas, small bananas. So we're going to do another one in a couple of days. But we thought we'll make our own dinner. But definitely a shame that we're not able to stay here another night, because we would have really enjoyed it. But I got to get me some scones at Ellenbray. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and I should add to what we were saying before. Starlink. Free Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, free Wi-Fi, free laundry, amazing amenities. But it was $44 for both of us, and then $15 per vehicle for the pass. So $59, and then it would have again been $44 for tomorrow. Yeah. So it's not like super cheap, but for what you get, it's definitely worth it. We really like it.
Yeah, and I should add
also free firewood.
Free firewood, so you don't have to stress about that. A lot quieter than Mount Barnett.
Gorge.
Yeah, Manning Gorge, sorry.
Much more space.
And I think that's because it is 30-40 k's off the road, off Gibb. And the road was fine coming in, it's no worse than the Gibb. It's just, I think some people, well, up until recently, it was, not great. But
probably doesn't help, we were also driving as the sun was setting. That
we have a lot of practice driving with the sun in our eyes in the afternoon.
We're getting better though. But anyway, we're going to finish dinner.
Yeah.
And have some banana bread.
Yellow curry, and we'll see.
Don't mind me chewing on olives. I'm just busy prepping brown rice salad.
I need to go and check the brown rice. But anyway, we're going to be up really early for the drive out to the gorge. So
looking forward to it.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
In the final part of our Gibb adventure, we make an early start on the long, low-range track out to Manning Gorge. After cooling off and searching for rock art, we head for Ellenbray Station, experiencing the worst corrugations on our journey so far, but motivated by the highly rated scones waiting at camp. We relax the following morning at Sandy Gorge on the station, and then start the last section of the Gibb on our way to the iconic Pentecost crossing the river and making camp as the sun sets. Maurice gets some much needed love the next day before we hit the bitumen bound for El Puestro. Thanks for watching.